Guess who?
There's no other person in this kingdom that will place her hands around my face. But my princess.
Oh, Dad! You got me there! Come on, Dad. You're out here again.
Yes. Receiving fresh air. Where have you been? I've not seen you since morning.
Dad, I've been in my room reading. Just as they say. Like father, like daughter.
Say once more.
Come on, Dad. Tell me, what would you like for lunch?
Anything you decide.
Alright, I think I know what to do there.
Wait. Prepare me fruit.
Come on.
Fruit will be a better recipe. It will make me look younger.
Alright, Dad. Just fruits.
Yes.
Trust me. Forever young, Dad.
Alright.
I'll get it for you.
That's my girl. Hey. My daughter.
Yes, Dad.
When last did you speak to your cousin Zara?
Last month.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, Dad. But I was the one that called last. She should at least call me.
That is not compulsory. After all, I don't know her tight schedule. And moreover, friendships are kept by one.
But Father, I'm the one doing the calling here.
Yes, I know that. But promise me you're going to call her. Come on, my baby, promise me that.
Alright, Dad. I promise I'll call her later in the day.
That's my baby.
Thanks, Dad.
That's my baby.
Oh, Zara. You mean you want to travel to the United States to meet him? Wow, that's nice. Seriously, I can't wait to meet my own Mr. Right. Yeah. Wow. I'm so happy for you, darling. Yes, I will. I will. Yeah, you too. Bye. Oh, it's okay. Yeah. Wow, that's nice. Who's keeping this useless maiden? Uju! Uju!
My princess, I'm here.
What took you so long?
I'm sorry, my princess.
I only asked for a glass of water.
I'm sorry, my princess. I was so pressed, so I quickly went to ease myself.
Very well done. Let me have the water.
Here, my princess.
Next time, don't keep a princess waiting. Take this! Get lost! Will you get out?
Thank you,
You lazy, lousy maiden. Make sure you clean here.
We are on our way to your house.
Is there a problem?
See question. Look at it. What did you tell Rose about me? You gossip.
Ma, you shouldn't be saying that.
Hold it there. Just hold it. I didn't invite you into this matter. Co-gossip.
Don't insult me, Ma.
Ma, please. I don't have strength for you and your sister. So you people should just clear from the road so we can pass.
Oh! Did you hear anything? It's like I just heard a voice. A voice. I can't see anyone. A voice. Actually. That must be the voice of these two shit girls.
Who do you call two cheat girls?
The both of you, of course.
It's your mother that is a cheat. What is it now? What is it now, Ma? Ma, you're hurting me now, Ma. Oh, Chimo. Come here.
Sister, I'm back.
You're welcome. Did you get the money from her?
She said I should come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Ha. Mama Ogechi is looking for my trouble though. Honestly, she's looking for my trouble. No problem. Anyway, go and warm the soup.
Where is this stew?
Ha! Auntie Jokwa, where's here? In the kitchen, of course. Come. What happened to your face?
It's not man, EJ, that attacked Clara and I on our way.
Those two witches! Those two witches again! Wait, I'm coming. Wait for me here.
Nkechi, what is it?
Mazibe, look at what your daughters, your useless daughters did to my younger sister. Look at it.
Hey.
Have you seen it?
Hey. Sorry, no. No. Akudia. Akudia.
Yes, every time you'll be coming.
Call those your daughters, call them for me.
They are now my daughters.
Yes.
When it's time to pay dowry now, they will answer your daughter.
Call those your daughters for me.
No problem. EJ! Oma! You people should come or your father wants to see you.
Mama, you called us. Your daughters are here.
Did both of you do that to her?
Papa, she deserves what she got.
Will you shut up, Mrs. Boxer?
Biko, don't shut them down. Instead of you to ask them what happened, they now shut her down. Biko. Be children, what happened? Mama, this fool and her friend insulted you.
Yes, Mama.
You insulted me? Hey! What more? Is that why you insulted me? Because you think you have horns? Oh! Mama, is she and Clara, Oko's daughter, two of them? Oh, it was even 2-2. Yeah, four people fighting. Yeah, Gigi. Not that two of them beat you up. And warfare. You didn't even beat her well. Nonsense.
Akudia.
Yes?
Is this all you have to say? Is this all you have to say? After complaining to you what your useless daughters did to my only sister. My only younger sister.
Your only younger sister. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to say? You're not ashamed of yourself bringing this tata here to come and complain.
Will you shut up, woman? All of you disappear from here and get inside the house.
Okay. No problem, sir. I greet you. Ngwano, let us go inside.
Get out from here. Get inside the house.
Children, we've been commanded to go in. Let us march in. And lay younger sister.
Nkechi, please, don't be annoyed. I am very, very sorry. Deeply sorry. Take your sister home, please.
It's because of you. It's because of you I'm tolerating all this. I'm just respecting you.
If not, you will do what? You can't do anything.
I would have dealt with you.
If I jump down from here, I pity you. I pity you and your younger sister. You will not become the younger one.
I'm only respecting your husband.
Will you get out of my compound? It's because of you. You came here to look I my husband. You said they beat your sister up. Manchester, don't tell me. You think I didn't see the way you were looking at her uku? Continue. That uku will be destroyed very soon. Nonsense. Is that uku even bigger than my own? Let me see that uku in my compound again. Come wale away me shawama. Nonsense.
I understand. You just have to be prayerful, okay? Put everything in the hands of God. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Who was that?
Zara, Auntie Maureen's daughter.
Auntie Maureen. Auntie Maureen.
Yes. Mom's sister that got married to King Jaffa of Sierra Leone.
Okay, you mean your auntie, Ogeji's daughter, the princess?
Yes.
She traveled to America to see her fiancé.
Wow. That's an encouraging news. Hope they are living on fine.
He traveled and left her.
Oh. Oh, that's unfortunate. Meanwhile, your stepbrother will be coming back after his studies in London.
Really? I've really missed him.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I missed him too. Wow.
It is. The people of Ngoka is very cheap. They are very, very cheap.
Don't mind them. See, that is the tricks of the politics.
What? Even though that is the trick of politics, they are just too cheap. Extremely cheap.
That is a real difference. That's my son.
Oh, the prince is my father.
My son.
Oh, you are welcome.
Thank you, my lord.
My son. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Where are your luggages?
Okay, the guards are bringing it in.
Okay. Go inside, I will join you later.
Okay. Thank you.
Prince, you are welcome.
Like I was saying,
Yes.
we need to do something about these people.
Your Highness, what else do you want us to do? You want us to kill them? We can always squeeze them, bend them at any moment to get what we need. Oh, they are very cheap. They have nobody.
You mean his girlfriend came to you and talked trash? And what did you do to her? You beat her up for insulting you. Yes. Listen, why don't you go back and move on with your life? Yes, he doesn't deserve you as a wife. I understand. It's all right. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Ken? Are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out to see someone.
Ogade, I guess.
Yes?
Ken, why can't you get that non-entity out of your life?
I won't have you call her such name again.
Yes, that's what she is, a non-entity. She doesn't suit you. She's not royalty, Ken. Honestly, I thought traveling abroad would teach you some ethics. But I can see I'm mistaken.
And I guess such ethics includes allowing a man have a choice of his wife.
Dad would definitely hear this.
Excuse me.
What are you listening to?
Nothing, my princess.
You've been listening to royal discussion.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Will you leave this place? Get out. Get lost. Just look at her. Fool.
And I'm back to you now.
I missed you. Actually, I was disturbed. I thought I've lost you.
I promised to come back. And I'm here now. And I'll never fail in my promise to you. What of your sister?
She went to the farm.
Such a strong woman.
Are you trying to say I'm not strong enough for you?
No. You're even stronger. That's why I love you so much.
I love you too. What?
I missed your adorable face. And those smiles.
Stop.
Father.
Where are you coming from?
Well, I've been around the town, went for sightseeing.
Don't lie to your father.
Okay, I know Ngozi must have told you. I want to see your God in my future.
Don't complete that statement. That girl has nothing to offer. She's not royalty. Ken, why do you want to disgrace and humiliate this family?
Father, she is the one I love. She's all my heart desires.
But she's not royalty.
Father, I've made my choice.
Ken, your choice has no future in this family. You know what? I think you have to go back to abroad and stay with your mother while we source for a desirable queen for you.
Father, I am sorry. No such thing will happen. Excuse me.
Ken! Ken!
Ken, why are you like this?
You devil. What did you tell Father?
Let me assume you didn't call me devil. I told Dad about the disgrace you want to bring into this family, which must be stopped. Ken, it is for your best interest.
Listen, let me warn you. For the very last time. Stay away from my love life, you spoiled brat. Maybe you're dead. Silly mother did not teach you manners.
How dare you!
What do you want to do? You want to slap your elder brother? Come on. Go on, slap me. Slap me. Silly.
I don't blame you. You see, you have the guts to talk about my late mom in that manner. I don't blame you. Because my mother is late and yours is alive. No problem. Over my dead body, will I allow you to marry that girl into this family? Nonsense. I think I know what to do. Nonsense.
The princess is very wicked. Yes, she is. And she has a wicked heart. Moreover, she's very disrespectful. Imagine the way she speaks to her elder brother, Prince Ken.
You only see half of the iceberg. Being her personal maid is something I always regret. Though she has a good heart, but she's so desperate in getting whatsoever she wants.
Which may lead her to her early grave, just like her late mother.
You talk too much. These words have ears. I think I heard her call me. I'll see you later. Are you touched?
I wonder why everybody in this palace is scared of her. Well, I guess I'm the only one not.
Martha. I'm not fine. I was on my way to your house.
Is that so? I hope all is well.
There is a problem.
What is wrong?
Uju. So our prince came back and you didn't let me know?
Oh, that. He came in yesterday.
And you didn't think I should know? You must be wicked, you know.
I'm sorry. You know we've not seen for days.
But as my friend, you should have informed me immediately, knowing what we used to share before he traveled abroad.
He said I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. I said I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I'm not happy. Not happy.
You know it's been long I saw you. I'm sorry. Please. Smile a little for me now.
Okay. I'm forgiving you.
You said you were on your way to my house.
Yes. I'm going to your house before I now saw you.
Come along now. Let's discuss the why. You know I've not seen you for days.
No problem.
It's been so long I saw you.
I know. I hope your mother prepared me to leave because you know it's my favorite.
She did. I even made some pounded.
Yes.
So he came back to you?
Yes, immediately he came into the car.
He really loves you. If all those Oyibo girls did not entice him and steal his heart from you, then I must say, my friend, you're very lucky.
I am. And I'm very happy. Do you know he said he's going to marry my mom?
He said lie.
How would I lie to you? You know my friend.
So it means that one day you become our queen.
And I'll always walk with my shoulders high.
I believe you. Please remember me your paradise, so...
You know my friend. Of course I will.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm happy. How are you guys making sales here? You know things are hard now.
We are managing now.
Don't worry, it will all get better. No go.
I believe so. I'm happy for you.
I'm also happy. I can't wait.
Mama, he didn't come to visit me when he came back. I'm not happy.
If the mountain does not go to Mohammed, Mohammed will go to the mountain. If he doesn't come to visit you, you should pay him a visit. He probably thinks you're not alive, you're dead. God forbid! Then prove him wrong.
Mama, I even heard the prince went to see that Ogadi of a girl. I think he loves her more.
Loves her?
Yes, of course.
She's the one throwing herself at him.
Yay! Ma, let's be sincere here. You are the one throwing yourself at him.
Mama, it's okay, it's okay. You should pay the young man a visit. As for Ogadi's case, Obele case,
okay, Mama, I will go.
Hey, I saw one young man hovering around the gate. Who is he looking for?
It's how?
Mama?
No. It's just me and Prince.
It's a lie, it's you.
Mama, it's not me.
Ma, say the truth.
It's not me.
You.
If it's not Prince, it's not for me. Hey, Mike, can lie you.
Mama? I'm here, oh.
Mama?
Hey, you're back. How did it go?
He virtually sent me away.
He virtually sent you away? I mean, why would he do that? I don't understand. So he didn't invite you into the palace to offer you food and drink?
Mama, he didn't even allow me go beyond the gate. I sent the guard to call him. He came out. And he started asking me silly questions. Before I could say anything, he went back in.
Why would he do that? He didn't even take you into the palace. Anyway, in Koabelo, it's a small case. We'll find a way around it.
Mama, is it not that Ogadi? It's because of her that he's treating me this way. Because of that useless girl. She and her wicked sister. They must have used charms on him.
You think so?
Yes.
No problem. We'll give it to them. Fire for fire. Well, I guess you must be hungry since the priest didn't offer you any food. You can go into the kitchen. I kept some food for you there.
I'm hungry. Very, very hungry. Let me eat. I'll come and join you. Ogadi and sister.
Ogadi and her sister. If you want war, war you will get. Aye, just like your name implies. Ogadi.
Aku dia. Aku dia.
Her Imperial Majesty, Queen Mother.
Aku dia. Who is Her Imperial Majesty?
Oh, it was just a dream.
Do you have fever or malaria? Because this one you are dreaming of Imperial Majesty. It is a symptom of malaria or fever.
I should check for typhoid.
Better. Is there anything in the house for me to eat?
Did you leave anything in the house before you left?
There's no food for me at all to eat in the house.
Exactly. Smart man.
Here. It's a pity.
This is really a pity. Imperial Majesty. Queen Mother. Hey, that is the life. Ah, I must taste royalty. My daughter must marry the prince. Hey, Majesty.
What is it?
Is that the welcome I should get?
Okay. You're welcome. What can I do for you?
You don't come to see me on this bar. So I was wondering, is everything alright?
There is no problem. Please, can you go? My mother is around.
Your mother is around?
Yes.
So because of that prince, King, that is why you're chasing me out of the compound. Right? Oh, or you think I don't know you have strong feelings for him before he traveled? Anyways, let me tell you something. It's either I have you in this community or nobody else will. And if you dare me, I'm going to make life miserable for you in this community. Dare me.
You can't do anything. You can't do more than a dead rat. And you know what? Dead rats only smells. That is the only thing you can do. Smell. That's all.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you.
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
You see who smells.
You can't do anything. Udu, you can't do anything. Nothing. Nonsense. Man, let me be sincere here. You have to try and settle with Udo. You know Udo is very dangerous. Just hold him. He can't do anything. He can't do anything more than he gets. I don't want him to hurt you. It's not this on your dancing. He can't do anything. He can't do more than my super. Nothing. Nothing. No problem. Nonsense. I've saved my own. Okay. You're dancing. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. I've saved my own. Agade! Agade!
I'm coming.
Ah, you are coming. Where are you wasting my time? What are you doing inside?
I'm coming.
Oh, You went and changed the clothes you were wearing. Huh?
The other one is dirty.
It's dirty. Is it no market that we are going to? Or are you expecting to get a husband from there? That you are wasting my time.
I'm sorry now. Let's go.
Let's go. Every time you will be looking for a way to look beautiful. Let's go. Hey, trouble dey sleep.
Inyanga go wake up. So you sabi that song? We go sing them together today.
Akodia, get out of my way. Get out of my way.
Because which one is your way? Show me now, because I know this is a road. Just show me your own path so that next time I will avoid it.
You are looking for my trouble, oh. Hey! Hey! You are looking for my trouble, oh.
Look for your trouble. I've not even started. Wait, let me tell you. Because you killed your parents with witchcraft, you are coming here to shout I'm looking for your trouble. Your family is made up of witches and wizards.
It is your own family that is made up of witches and wizards.
You dare talk back at me?
What will you do? What will you do?
I will teach you a lesson you will never forget. You will see.
You cannot do more than a hanging towel. You see a towel that is being hanged. You cannot do more than that.
Okay, I will now show you that a hanging towel can do something. I will now show you the boxing system. You see this left hand? It will send you to Psychia. The right one. You're going to go. I'll show you. This left hand. Psychia. The right one. Come on! Come on! Are you running?
Run
wait,
for you.
What is going on?
Ma, I'll teach that girl a lesson she will never forget in a hurry.
How do you intend doing it? Keki chorisi emea.
Genyoson.
She go run from this village.
Genyoson.
Nah, I think I have a plan.
You have a plan?
I have a plan.
I tell you, you start from there. Make it. Take care of it.
I will.
Baby, I will be traveling abroad to join my mother. I gain admission to do my master's degree. I'll be going tomorrow.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too, but I'll be back for you.
Are you sure?
I promise.
Don't make a promise you can't keep. You never can tell. You might meet someone else over there.
No, this is one promise that I am going to keep. I remember how we met. It was so coincidental. And the mutual feelings we had together. It was love at first sight.
Mama thinks I took you away from her. And ever since then, she hasn't forgiven me. She keeps saying I snatched you away.
Like I told you, she's just a friend and nothing more.
I believe you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Father, you must stop this disgrace from entering our family. For God's sake, we are royalty.
What can I do to him? He has stood his ground. I can't do anything to him. And remember, he is my only son and the heir to my throne.
No, Dad. You can't let this happen. Well, you don't need to do anything to Ken. But we can do something to her.
Like what?
I'll think of something, Father.
Okay. But please, don't do anything to stain your hands.
I won't.
Okay.
Where are you going to?
I'm done for today. It's 4 p.m. already, my princess.
Oh, you're right. I want to ask you. That lady that came to the palace the other day looking for my brother. What's her name again?
Oh, her name is Mma, my princess.
And you said she has strong feelings for my brother.
Yes, she does.
All right. Go and tell her that I want to see her in the palace immediately.
Okay, my princess. I will do just that. Good afternoon, ma.
Hi, Uju. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
And how's your mother?
She's fine.
Good.
Please, is Mma my friend around?
I think so, yes.
The princess sent me to call her.
The princess or the prince?
The princess.
Okay, I will call her. Mma! Mma! Mama! Come, Uju is here to see you.
Uju, you are here?
Yes.
She says the princess wants to see you.
The princess wants to see me? I hope there is no problem.
Not at all. She wants you to do something for her.
Me?
I think you should go and see her. Find out what she wants you to do for her.
Let's go.
Come back here. Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Go back and finish washing those clothes before you leave this house.
No, you can go. I permit you to go.
Thank you, ma.
I'm not allowed to go now. Well, what's your problem?
Akudea.
Yes?
Akudea.
What is your problem? Can't you see we're slowly moving towards royalty? And you want to come and spoil everything.
This royalty madness that has come over you, I pray does not consume you one of these days.
Let it consume me. As if you will not be the one to enjoy it when it comes.
Thank you. Anyway, let me go and see Mazin Bono.
That better be Mazin Bono ki Naija Kuifo. Oh my below Mrs. Mbon.
I never wanted it this way. I never wanted my dad.
It's okay. It's not your fault. You can't go on blaming yourself for this.